We're here in a small office building in North Royalton. We've got a GAL elevator. God. Access Elevator Company. Interesting. Pretty sure this was installed by Canton. Yeah. Access Elevator Company. Put your phone. Get a cab view on the way down. Pretty interesting cab. We're at one. Take it for one more ride. 2,500-pound capacity. Door closed does not work. Watch the indicator on the way out again.
Good night.
Thanks, you too. Stop for a second. We're good. You can see through the doors. Rear of one. GAL buttons. Pretty typical GAL. Access elevator. That's interesting. Very interesting. Alright, there it goes. And